Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly mind-blowing: habitable exoplanets in our galaxy. You all know Earth is the only place in our solar system with life. But what about other worlds? With billions of stars, galaxies, and clusters out there, each star likely having its own planets, it's hard to imagine Earth being the only inhabited world. Scientists have discovered some incredible exoplanets that might just harbor life. So buckle up as we take a quick journey to some of the most exciting planets found in the universe. And these aren't just dry Mars-like places. We're talking about potentially super habitable worlds, even better suited for life than our own Earth. First up, we have Kepler-186f. This planet is considered a top contender for habitability. It's a massive, rocky world, about twice the size of Earth, orbiting within its star's habitable zone. This means the conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on its surface. And as we know, where there's water, there's a good chance for life to thrive. Imagine a world so big you could spend over 100 hours flying between continents. It would have much more land for life to flourish compared to Earth. Now here's something really interesting. Kepler-186f orbits a very special type of star. Our Sun is a G-type main sequence star, also known as a yellow dwarf, and these stars only live for about 10 billion years. Our Sun is already halfway through its life cycle. In about 5 billion years, it will turn into a red giant and engulf Earth. But Kepler-186f orbits an orange dwarf. These stars are a bit smaller than our Sun, but they are much more stable and can live for up to 70 billion years in some cases. Life on Earth has only been evolving for about 4 billion years. Can you imagine what life on Earth could be like after 70 billion years? By then, if our species survives and thrives, we might even reach a Type 3 civilization, capable of shaping entire galaxies and traveling anywhere. But Earth won't be habitable by then, so we'd need to find a new home. While Kepler-186f sounds perfect for life, it's pretty far away, about 3,000 light-years. Even if we somehow convince NASA to give us an Orion spacecraft, it would still take us over 100,000 years to get there. But maybe one day, we'll have the advanced technology to reach such distances within a human lifespan. For now, we can only imagine what fascinating life forms might be thriving there. Perhaps we should look for habitable worlds a little closer to home. Only 39 light-years away, we find a potentially safe haven for life, the TRAPPIST-1 System. This system has Earth-sized worlds tightly packed around their star, with 3 of them orbiting within the habitable zone. Discovered in 2017, scientists have been intensely studying this system, trying to find signs of life. They've been able to figure out how much the star's light dims as each planet passes in front of it, a method called the transit method. These planets are much older than Earth, meaning life there could have had at least 3 billion years to develop before Earth even formed. TRAPPIST-1e, the 4th planet in the system, is slightly smaller than Earth, with conditions suitable for liquid water. Scientists even believe it might have a denser, oxygen-rich atmosphere, even better for life than Earth's. However, this star system is very different from ours. All the planets are similar in size to Jupiter and orbit a red dwarf star. This star is much cooler than our Sun, so all the planets orbit very closely. In fact, the orbits of the entire system would easily fit within Mercury's orbit around our Sun. This close proximity could create some interesting conditions. Scientists believe the planets are tidally locked to their star, meaning one side always faces the star, leading to extreme temperature differences, scorching hot on one side and frozen and desolate on the other. In ideal scenarios, this could create a band of habitable land around the planet. But the most exciting thing for us is imagining what it would be like to live on these planets. They are so close to each other that looking up at the sky, you'd see incredible views of giant planets orbiting together. You could potentially take vacations to different planets. And since it's only 39 light-years away, maybe one day this could be a reality for humanity. The 3rd exoplanet discovered by scientists is Kepler-452b. This world is often called Earth 2.0, and it has so many similarities to Earth, it's almost eerie. It orbits a G-type star, just like our Sun, every 384 days, only about 5% longer than our year on Earth. This would make each month a perfect 32 days. However, it's a super-Earth, meaning it's about 50% larger than our planet. This implies more land, bigger continents, and potentially more water. Sounds good so far, but it does have some downsides. It's actually 5 times more massive than Earth, meaning the gravity on the surface would feel twice as strong. So everyone would weigh double. But here's where it gets interesting. As far as we can tell, Kepler-452b is the only planet in its system. This means there are no gas giants present. Now you might be thinking, doesn't Jupiter protect Earth from asteroid impacts? Wouldn't this planet be completely destroyed by space rocks without a gas giant? Well, not necessarily. because Kepler 452b is the lone planet orbiting its star. Maybe civilizations on this planet don't have to worry about asteroid strikes. But again, this planet is quite far away. The star in this system is also a bit older than our Sun. As stars age, they become more energetic, and as a result, this planet receives a lot more radiation. This could cause the planet to slowly heat up, eventually leading to a runaway greenhouse effect, making it less like Earth and more like Venus. And finally, our last exoplanet is Kepler 22b, located about 600 light-years away in the Cygnus constellation. This is one of the most intriguing super-Earths discovered so far. It's within the habitable zone and orbits its star at just the right distance. Our best observations suggest this planet might be a true water world, like Miller's planet in Interstellar, a giant ocean covering a rocky core, hundreds of kilometers deep. It's possible that life could have evolved in the depths of this ocean, perhaps some bizarre creatures beyond our wildest imaginations. So there you have it, folks. A quick tour of some of the most fascinating, potentially habitable exoplanets discovered in our galaxy. It really makes you wonder what's out there, doesn't it? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay connected with Astro'way for more mind-blowing facts and explorations of the cosmos. We've got tons more mysteries of the universe to unravel together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.